Love is first of all sacrifice. Not tragic sacrifice, not tearful sacrifice, but love is giving without hope of receiving. Love is unselfishly wishing good to others. And love is unconditional and faithful when shared between loving spouses in marriage.
Yes, beautiful. I love that.
All right, Tom. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Tom. Banquet.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It is not jealous. It is not pompous. It is not inflated. It is not rude. It does not seek its own interests. It is not quick-tempered. It does not brood over injury. It does not rejoice over wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails.
I, Thomas, take you, Marta, for my lawful wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part.
I, Marta, take you, Thomas, for my lawful husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part.
I hope you are having a wonderful time celebrating these two love words. For all of you that do not know me, my name is Magda. Marta's my younger sister. I'm the baby. I would like to first say congratulations to the lovely couple. And Tom, welcome to the family. It took you long enough. I love you both, and cheers to Pani and Pan Pszeniczny.
So I have Tom to thank for meeting my beautiful wife. I've only been married a year and a half, but this is the advice I have to give. Early in your marriage, you'll find it difficult to get the last word in any discussion. With time, though, You'll learn to always get the last word in every discussion. Just make sure the words are, yes, dear. So I would like to raise a glass to the happy couple. I wish you guys both the best, and to memory more memories. Na zdrowie.
We have searched the whole world and all around it. Didn't know what we were looking for till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. It could